Non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are the minerals which do not contain metal. Now we will study about some of the non-metallic mineral. First is the mica. There are two quality of mica. Two quality of mica are muscovite, which is of light color, and biotite. Biotite is of black color. These are the two most abundant varieties of mica. The two striking features of mica are its thin sheet structure and luster. Luster means shining surface. Muscovite mica is usually found in metamorphic rocks, while biotite mica is found in both igneous and metamorphic rocks. Mica is widely used in heating instrument, electric conditioner, and optical instrument because of its flexibility, elasticity, and low thermal and electrical conductivity. Ground mica is also used as a filter or lubricant. India is the largest producer of muscovite mica, which is followed by Brazil. It means India is the largest producer of muscovite mica, and second is other producers are the US, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, and Argentina. High quality mica is found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Limestone. Limestone is a common building material, especially in North America and Europe, because it is readily available, relatively easy to cut, and can withstand almost all weather. Limestone are very soft in nature. It can be easily cut. It is also used for blackboard chalk construction, both in interior and exterior flooring, in industries such as paper, plastic, steel, paint, glass, etc., and for water treatment and road construction. Limestone is a sedimentary rock. It is composed of calcite. Major reserves of limestone are found in the US, Canada, Vietnam, Denmark, and France. Next is salt. Salt is an important mineral and the only one that humans consume. Halite is a sodium chloride, the same mineral that is used as table salt. Pure halite is colorless. It is soft and breaks into cubes. The meat packing, fish currying, and food processing industries use salt as preservative or seasoning or both. The chemical industry uses salt for the production of chemicals. It is also used for making soap, glaze, and porcelain enamel. Rock salt or halite occurs widely in the rocks of all geological periods. Salt is found in most countries. However, the largest producer of salt is the US, followed by China, Germany, India, and Canada. In India, rock salt is found in Himachal Pradesh. Sea salt is obtained in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, while brines are found in Rajasthan. These are the quality of salt found in India: rock salt, sea salt, and brines. India is well endowed with numerous metallic and non-metallic resources. In addition to the resources mentioned above, India has 4 mineral fields, 52 major non-metallic resources, 11 major metallic resources, and 22 minor. India is also the world's largest producer of chromite. Chromite is a mineral which is used to give hardness or toughness to steel.